Here's how you can verify your Fanduel account. So on the official website, we can see that Fanduel uses a verification agency to confirm your name, date of birth, and social security number. It is possible that available records could have old information, so we suggest a previous address. So if you're having any issues with verifying your account, then you want to try with your previous information, so such as address. And here, if successful, we can then look to get your address changed on our records. You may need to try different versions of your name as well. So if you're having trouble verifying, you can try different versions of your name. So instead of Christopher, you can try entering Chris, and you can also try adding or removing your middle name. You can also try changing address options. Try entering street instead of ST or court instead of CT. It's a small change, but the record systems may use different methods. So basically it may have old information, and that's why it's not letting you verify. If your account cannot be verified through these checks, you may be able to verify your account in other ways. So here are the other ways. So if it's asking for a driver's license, you can give your driver's license, or if it's asking you questions about addresses or cars registered with you, then that is another method of how you can verify it. Here you can upload your driver's license, identity card, so that's another method of how you can verify your account. And that's basically it. I hope this answers your questions. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.